that information release a buy as a sports journalist from your angle say now also mufai
Ukraine mini Ghana for a Anas Aremia Anas video no I'm say the release come as a relief for them I'm so many ajihu ye if you say Ghana for don't na ko nyina say ade a over the period say me say in the last 13 years as some crown maka kwaku ebo in the last 15 years waka some crow Ghana for nyina pese you be pictorial evidence and the biamedas say Anas or pictorial evidence of what we've been speaking about in the last 15 years and Ghana for no amko Anas video ne wo mo hwe nyina no omo nyina adwa ba benkro mu say e wo say obi ayi bibi na hwan na be bibi mampanyi aso ye ne mampanyi no betimi ayi bibi eno nti no say statement ya ba say mampanyi tutu anamo say be ya at least Ghana Football Association dwuma ekoso ho nyina ne de be wiye ne asan hya ase foforo we are sure say yade a wo say ye gino asupem ye tie na asupem na ye bo mampanyi abaso say anamo a wetu no anamo bi a ne ye pese badida na nyame adom etimi aba be kayensa eti o mampanyi de Kofi Apia de na mo ka say meda na se ensa nyame hira no nyame ntu ne nkwam say nimdi a wo bia no nyame enhye ne ma say be ya waye no ho say bia obi a otie Ghana fo sufre otie Ghana fo asem na penyim bia wotie wo man sufre bia no nyame hira wo
ba Kofi ye mbu obi attending but ebibeka say what is there to investigate again after say Anas the pictorial evidence about people were seen in a video clearly some Jiska Obega said what is there again to investigate
fantastic when him say a court in kwan betimi aka say osimesi ewisika osimesi edifo na osimesi ekrofo eno ntina na aska say ono de obodin otumura no wakiresie de aka bia no mebo
ba won say yemre mu so no ye say ne wo ma bribe ene ne wo ginyina ne nyina the same
ena yemra nkro na mu especially centralfo adwuma no ehun ehihye ne kire say obi edi dwuma bi na say dwuma odi no e wo say oye undercover minim si da meka no twimu say wo so ye undercover na odi dance ubem bi edi na say e wo national interest mu na say e boda on national security a o kwan so obeye sa de no enu nti so hwe video ne no ani ne ya ubon say entrapment na mo kan say bia nipa dada obi so nkoji sika no ambemu kura fi say obi enu a ye share ne say on yiska na mo de ne pe ene eni bra nipa ne yenti ena odi yiska no
okay ye beto aso ne mom ye ne sports minister Ora Isaac Esiama Edin komo ema ne sisudua say Ghana Football Association ye gunu anase yengunu yente interview mra oba oni David Oforisafo Edin komo ewo news night so yente
okay yo honorable and some are yet say aban say gu Ghana Football Association ona obegu Ghana Football Association ona so afọ ohwe agudie ensem so sansem enukre be na wom na de na akọbanti a sa na man APP
yo minia me do asipi match UTV abuso afọ mo hwe UTV nyina ne abuso afọ so a UTV nyina mama munya majo
okay ya joso
minia enukre ene Ghana ban President Akufo-Addo Dano ye dissolve Ghana Football Association say yegunu na the woman say na saying friends and some koso Ghana Football Association GFA and some koso Ghana for the dona maybe how the yaw or the koso GFA and if I say about timi etuanamo
okay
sabu kudrebi an Kenya no be say 2014 an kasa me nke do something so hanum enti Ghana ban any abrese for that na more way itimi etu na e save Ghana football ene ya de hu hia pa na de ebe tum na se kura akofan sem kese onya ba documentary in ya be ma anasi ya training ni no I expose widespread fraud corruption and bribery and never win na koso horoma say enchei kura na ade ask my area for tena fata say on my Ghana etimikasa the president na bayakasa say fata say pempesu dia e save Ghana football na enya enmunyam eya kono na Ghana for so eliso ndisa na mona na esi a yetu enu se nyame aduma yenwie no na dignity and the integrity yes Ghana football inside etimaka you need to say football the passion of the nation Ghana football today ni mu no oman no e kai bom pa ma se biwe ni ba ko sa so boa e ma mabunu nso no binya adwuma he sa so de ni gie ba oman mu hanom enti na ade a esombo se no se di aban entrance e ma no se hwedum guase a ate ada se nguase ate a wiase bia obi a hwa na omo ewediko Ghana enti na fata se sa na mo we ne yetu no enti aban se wo mo a officials ya video no mo bia na ada di se bio ebi mu adi bone etu na mo enfata involve wo mo ni kana asene sanema we nya no police nya hwemu na investigation.
Okay.
Na yampe appropriate action to be taken in Yankangubi.
Okay.
Before this was after so and tradition. Osha National Sports Authority. How do you say? You say you know Robert Saffo already on he's on suspension, but they see I'll show video now. If I say police are coming, no Musakoye, and she move for they see a own video no so. Will be this Mr. Joshua Mensah, Asante Regional Sports Director, or no so also co-interdiction. Ms. Frederica Mensah Davis, PRO, National Sports Authority, and so on also co-interdiction.
Okay.
Mr. Patrick Agojo, Protocol Officer and SC, Sports Authority, and so on also co-interdiction. Ushu Musa, GFA for the Nimse, area question entity already CID for an investigation. And look at it, the Indian, delivering the code to me, and I say, post was a GFA president, and so on, buying IGF the same, and then cover on the so I say, and even the they all stand another stand dissolved, and then say, idea, say, Ghana for ETIAS. Let me hear, the woman, you can't say, Sabi, a buy and castle, why you know, a chacoda, a Bible tire, they say, will clean GFC. Now, I come away and him to the canon, Ghana for an GTA, a womb. Okay, look at Sarosum, referees bear 77, and your son, woman now about some, said you, announce exposé. Okay, the Yahumo tape and a video so our Mojibra, when we see, Sabi, better than yesterday, I'm a Fatimako. Nipa da kwa wonu na match ya yedi kan predetermine the outcome there yedi kan aton no edem de e be de na ye kwekwe we nya de DPF say how happen na menua we 77 as mo aba se mo info na si a o mo kodi match se kan wase me to nya de DPF say ye pempo e nka o mo action say na action so o mo deserve mo awi e bi say butaye no ntumadi amudi ni nya no mo amasa pu amofo ntina if I say a band to see and now buying a rescue Ghana football.
Honorable
rescue mission.
Honorable, and before say Abasubawe and a man a Japaye says so more good GFE. I say question the junior GFE boss beam.
Fine, the Crane back you're good GFE when president of GFE. Okay.
Yansha Yenimsa GFE Eshe FIFA and a Kafa say meaning Abasai Abai a FIFA sutre. Na mo be na mutu e de yi o ma asutre sese na ekoso
won se de ekoso ni na no expose ya na se ni na no BBC 4 de show na akampo no o mo nkofo bi e be hwe entino o manga so mo monitor de ekoso gagana ni na
okay
entino ye no o mo road map e be follow tab for de no mo be share e be engage wo mo diva for de no be share e be engage wo mo entino ye no o mo anamo a ye be true na ye timi I restore the dignity and integrity of Ghana football. And when you had to say corruption, say the moi football. The fact say, wow, we say
Sports Minister Esisudia say a good Ghana Football Association as we speak. Nemum Oshe release a fee abankesimu ebaya quick one. Line 2 no say having regards to the widespread nature of the apparent rot involving top GFA officials, top NSA officials, match commissioners, and football administrators and referees, government has decided to take immediate steps to have the Ghana Football Association dissolved. Kofi, was it government has decided to take immediate steps to have the GFA dissolved? Contradictory from what the information minister
the sports minister.
The sports minister because we're official from Abankesimu exactly.
Now, me person meje sports minister need more if you say Osisu Oshemu Kena say the GFA is dissolved. Oshemu Kena onim di oka. Me sure say taking steps means that it starts from somewhere and the starting point is that we'll dissolve it they will get interim management to take care of it. Then we can get, you know, one more, or say substantively, one more. But the point I'm making is that...
So what's the next step?
Yeah, then, first of all, before even that, the AC Ghana, no, any peculiar to Ghana. Obaka 2014, Nigeria for Brazil by, you know. Goodluck Jonathan at that time, FLA said, Sika, taxpayers' money, Edema, Nigerian Football Federation, Edema, Spy, some of the coin, you know. Sabi, Omukudini, I'm on some, Omuntimia accounting for money. Money for value audit na nkoyi eno ntino Goodluck Jonathan Fele say emraso a was say otimi dissolve the national, in fact, Nigerian Football Federation. Oh yes, hadi no obekaya emra NFF boss no edu Murtala International Airport Lagos pe eno mochi no kotumu FIFA say ade no mo yes hadi no na just a minute and a Goodluck catch the one say Nigeria number 1, Nigeria paramount, Nigeria interest first. And you know, the taxpayers' money at the ama NFF, the ama Nigerian Sports Ministry. One coin, yebu akonta na nkoye. FIFA nkasa one own ishishemu investigations. In fact, omoba benkro mu say NFF ishishemu government any FIFA ishishemu no ni nyina akoye coincidental. Na say ni nyina akoye adekro. Enti omo gitu mu say e wo say ye che papa ni tum na ye ban Nigeria. Ye ban omo wie ye pe omo ba ye no omo ye den omo gi AFCON. In Cameroon Paul Biya the same. Paul Biya say you invested so much into the Cameroonian national team. In fact, so Biya ma ya tete ye ni nyina so na emom emre bi du a ye nya nyina so kire say sika de mo no wo mo misappropriate say sika no eno nti no Paul Biya so etu anamo bi e na koye say Cameroon so win AFCON. Me anamontu na do etu enye peculiar to Ghana. Me de me bona baso na ehun sunsun aso nie. Ye nko wie no a house cleaning exercise. At least nyame adom eno a video a ye share ye eda na di pefe say referees egia demude and omo determine results and say akofod ne so betrayal of the supporters and the fans because me know we e stadium a ye die nim say match e kokogboyi e free and fair nipa bia akoso ase bia animu esu ye konkɔhwɛ no na fe referee bi na determine de ebesie e wɔ ni botom efiso akɔgye 500 Ghana series wakɔdwo odwan baako agye bayere agune nkwanse mu ayi de referee ni suba no enso yen fans na bia yen fast one day nyame adom sa ne nyina na say yi a kyerɛ officials a ye fo say wo mu kura game no mu yie no sa officials nyina agya de mu de ebu aska no tia e asefem second go a ogya o tia e asefem for example Lineadi ebu say 300 Ghana series fa hye take away mu na fa so makola bi se be ya ne panyina ehun po say ademude na ogye e asefem wo be hwe na nkrofobia sabi ye de tumi ahye mo nsam a ye fo say in terms of credibility and integrity or some more pull this hard no we show mu no na 300 Ghana series 400 Ghana series 500 Ghana series and na nyame adom na nado etie Ghana fo sufre Ghana fo susukro ese ye nyina se ya bre ya pem na na bagye yan yo nyame adom na na yo setie we tie ni mansu fre me de ade na nado aye me de bia nyame adom na nka adepa che me chena e wo se nka me to maybe yes me what they say eto na me din kosu eguso na me de kokor na do ho se na je na me da asiensa na nyame nhyira nyame nton kwam efise wetie Ghana fo sufre he confidence a Ghana fo de share na do mo no na do a kire se two things. Number 1 na do timi ko report President Kwesi Ntachi e wo police station and say na do etimi tu na mo say what dissolve Ghana Football Association Ghana fo nyina e sufre sa de no Debut, so which minister now? Me,
say, minister, the question I'm say, sports minister say dissolving, and information minister say steps are being taken to dissolve. And I'm catch and I'm so make catch us. Debbie, say even if we are dissolving GFA, steps. Asase and say President Kwesi Ntachi, Oni Vice ne, emergency committee, executive committee. Committees in our Munyam first step. It will say steps are being taken. First step. Number 2 was say Parliament impo and form a 7-member committee. No Munyam Shishemu. Second step. Third step, ne say ye be penipa sebi bonini wom Ketachi sani prayer omunyin tumu third step. That's how we are doing it. You know, information minister release or the buyer no. Procedural. Mate, medasi yebe basuna wasa akasa nemum yesaka Mohamed Ahmed Polo driven magician ema Ghana football no abahoma so yenu no enkaseteu na yembusa na dwene efasa ensemu. Hello Mr. Mohamed Polo yema kwa ba UTV na anadwi.
Naje also.
Ejidi se bibia bokode. Yesu adom. We dey anadwi na release eba say Yagu Ghana Football Association. Menim so what here so won't is wa eno ne latest aba debe na wo ka fa ho debe implications and yebenya as Ghana football debe nsusu aso boni ana nsusu aso papa be na beba ye football iso.
Yeah, football no. I did the and football football very successful.
Yeah.
Some way I check now net some no finding a route is because yeah na adiano affect here nyame achedi ame be nyame pese no changes the emba the football no na emwaya because I qualified to the World Cup 3 times. The 4th time na anko yi anka yewo but fortunately no there young start people prepare towards that.
Yeah.
And the nyame oye na dia nipa kasa in so many ways. Na do kasa unya ni ya maybe on interest, especially those who are closer, those who are in charge of football. They should reflect and do the right thing. Why?
Okay. Mohamed Polo, what will give ni bida? Edebe among us who kasafa reforms bebre ho. Edebe reforms na office se siano enimia yetimi edigu akwaso na yesa peke ye football glory ni biem na enema nkoye famo o man Ghana. Edebe reforms na obese suggest.
Nyame akede nyame my talent.
Yeah.
Na talent no yeah need you add value to that talent. Because the talent no you raw add value to it.
Yeah.
Na asamu ya check akaka asamu ya mo intentional ma kasa since you're winning Nations Cup, 4 times, we've been coming closer. And I think it's very, very important. That challenges are a wake-up call. So for reform your football needs. Na Ghana funding in some of infra.
Okay. Okay. Mohamed Polo say we a very good exercise. I did cleaning up your football. Is it the best way to go about it?
It shouldn't be the best way, but this year, I don't know. Because every himself then there was corruption in football, corruption. But they are trying to act it. When Yamia Trey Didia, I am it's a wake up call. And this is then we shouldn't blame anybody. Didia there.
Is it not too harsh? Ebimu efilize ebianka. You better be putting up things in order. And ka ube pamo ebia ube good GFA or enkofubia a temporary. Bet me take it over. And sana what TV I send the but your man penny sorry Anna or good GFA or so good GFA. Is it not too harsh?
Yes. It's very hard, but Asama Ebano I call reflecting.
Okay.
Now everybody now the way what share Asam well and
okay.
I am say no count now or take that decision.
Okay. Mohamed Polo that's it. Maybe share that say em repem the best afro.
Yeah, bomb. Yo, yeah, bomb pie. Yeah, maybe Shirasu, idea or Peke or Yeno. Remember my the right of Uncle or mobile boy a football no. Now a football no and calling.
Okay, maybe share that say only a dinkomo energy. Ora Ahmed Polo, once upon a time Black Stars dribble magician as a Bondo Nimbo Wakasa, but I say sometimes there is too harsh on the side of Omampini Nemo. Yensaka Odo Safo, Nana Odo Safo, Ewa Homano so, young Koniche, too, na Yen Dinkomo. Miss Odo, Yawakaba.
You're soon, I did you soon the station already.
Hey, Jumanani be a dear. Where the Uwo, Mega say we are more closer to the FA. Uwo FA. What yes, here dissolve FA and our steps have been taken to dissolve the Football Association. OTN to say a debe Panamo is here.
Well, Madam, the chair with you for a trip. Also, can you know, steps have been taken to dissolve FA. That's why I also say FA dissolve until Munia Medica. But before say you dissolve FA now, FA be letter to that effect. When you letter to that effect, there, I just say it be Munia Becca. But say me took a kakra na me media abom me queer. Like I say, I rehearse some mommy in the sense say before say. Senate Polo can decision too harsh, but ABN president, have been misinformed and misled about the whole issue. That he didn't take so many things into consideration before taking that decision. The president, you now be Ghana, say the planting for food and jobs. The Bakon the same Amuya and Tiano, a Bakamate, and yeah, for so Fenipa, we are trying so much to employ people to work.
Yeah.
But football, for instance, a institution there, a private institution, but in a Fenipa, club will be in the Pakra or Nipa 70, our normal year, Juma.
Yeah.
And apart from that, Oko regions, RFS now, almost only problem the Yejuma. Oko district now, almost only problem the Yejuma. And a year footballer should direct and indirect employment activity. So, it's about 4,000 people. And every one kasa. Then the pram. It's about 4,000 plus. That near president, dear president, a big general pumping, say waka, and a study paying a coffee. That's just a Juma president, the cast or creating a man up the check a cry. Or more baton, justice, or more baton football, or more moyo, a yes, I never now, a woman yet travel and tour, don't tickets man for 13 days to come for Africa. In Becca. At the first decision president are taking, but we are very sure say executive committee no be share maybe an election be share and to share we are the decision be taken will be communicated to the public, and then I believe said we will have to delegate people to go to the presidency and then to see how best we can resolve that problem, because decision I want take amount for be can say any Nigerian style and say people to make kasa any fact about Nigerian style. Nigerian style, Nigeria 20 clubs now, 18 owned by state government, and state government state in their funded team. 2 sorry team. Now, so Nigerian league every season, each club is given a team money to play the league, and to say about seed money now over league. Let's say. Afia so na bu akonta no mu akonta apan wotumi bia so for real leading no kan also na gin chirawo until say Nigeria we na ye can be government to take a decision say this they amend this law that we chidakon the amended so and so we should not do that to our football. We should not do that. As of now, you should be on former opposition, leave your position. You're running the election. You're my mandate. You're Congress. You're reforms. You're move ahead. I mean, until me the Katami, they all come.
Okay, but football people argue a lot. Serbia, abano any power to so about dissolve GFA. Sanity.
Omo sano, many omogen. Me, anka meka aban for no one. Anka aban too. Aban person you be na a bit or the shaky football foundation. Anka football can make to aban say. And I'm so aban. I'm funding national teams. Abanon Kate, me funding national team there. So say I'll see what I want to see. At the about the time, Antonia on international obligations now, they will be taken away from FIFA and CAF. But the Ghana Football Association, conglomerate of it's people who are working. It's a club associations and football clubs and a form association like any other association in Ghana.
Abai Jamoga.
Abai Jaka. Abai my one peswa.
Okay.
Abai my one peswa. Abai Chubia wo. Ada yitu ya dia. Antino about anwa association no international and regional competition. So we'll be there playing our local football and then like any other association, like Print Park, like Ghana Bar Association, like Ghana Choba Association, like Ghana Mechanic Association. Oh, but after this year, you know what I say, your democracy not to change and the autocracy in the age, man. And I can say, the good idea, the man and the kind of the good, and not the other.
Okay, Mr. Odwe, that's your energy.
That's what I say.
Yeah, that's it. Odwe Safo, and you're telling Kano, our church and Semu, and my Kofi. Opa Okaya, proud to this video. You can say, you share video new year, the foundations of Ghana football will shake.
And then my man liking that with the Odwe Safo Kaye. Obviously, Odwe Safo and Samuel on TRC. Number one, President Untuana Mwankike. President, or you're informed, or ten seminar say, onim anamu otu.
Yeah.
Ebiomu President or one conform mutunefo. Eti President anamu otu ye no tiasi onim pa. In fact, onim si Odwe Safo, or sign a lawyer or emrenimi, onim si Odwe Safo. Number two, and you no credit that say decision you take each say everything will come to a standstill, and you no credit that. Now it will come to a temporal standstill. The attorney say obi auton ade players, officials, and administrators in ano. Ye na ejitu mu say Ghana football no bia na e kono na enye. Enei empanifo bebre wo ho a sabe esikafo omo jai ball ye. Yeah. Omo ye bibium. One kasa boss Mr. Sekwam despite no ye kotoko. Obisa na enei pa so nko ye kotoko beka cho say nya kondo. Eti empanifo bebre wo ha na me se kire me owen. Moses Parker beka cho say ball nya kondo. Ye empanifo ni sikafo a enei Victor Ahiakpo Pandu Water Flyers ball nya kondo ne meba eti William Masari onu nyina beka cho say ene ball nya kondo. Number 2 Nipa Franco Stadium intino ene omo atonto ice water na edwa no stadium nyina no omo nyam faso obium efise ball no nipa bia hyeda ebu apayo se yepese ebu ball no enti ball nya debium ene players yetimi tua player ka boso me 50 Ghana cedis emre bi atwam na ntesa wonim bi ntia because ene no sponsorship ma nipa gate fee nipa Nko Stadium replica justice all can be so do Safo say ne brekum Chelsea no ye no da be na last time e hu brekum Chelsea replica justice wa bonten because onim so di gwa bonten a nipa nto ene ye nyina agitu mu se ball na sei ene yesu afa na nado ene nyame adom na nado etu na mo sei odo Safo de nka de ne se nka oba yi na nka obo na nado ba so se na ne uti nkwa na uti da ase na nyame hiraw nyame ntu nkwam oba ye nse mu na ka ka nyina ache se ade na ekono won ti ase but me de becha no unim da bi nse mu no di ye me de becha no efise ebi ampempen so anana ewoni so ade hunu a Ghana fo pese ode ball ne kono odo Safo nti ase na me ka che odo Safo se dan kwa mebi no oba be di akire na obedi akire ten samuel no na ye edi anim no ne ye kɔ de na de tie nie ball no baby akɔ no de so obi ɔkasa na da ye osome anya da ye pa na nipa no ɔmpa no korɛ nti me de minim sɛ Nigeria star no ɔka no ma me ntew ade bi Nigeria fo na no korɛ Nigeria Football Federation specifically national team one Green Eagles national team no and no na Nigeria government force no more problem no korɛ state biya no take control take care of teams nibi league especially you know why because say omo di sika shemu a no kredie wom and then Nigeria league no e di no crescent league biya wa Africa nei wonim de ntia if you say nkofo no di sika shemu no wo mpeketa sha ne proye enu nti no police wo ahwe aban so ahwemu nipa di sika wuremu enu nti no ye shawa ya shawo ye modro wini a wini ye bia etesa
Dabi.
Ye be etesa. Into those of Kasa Nigeria for ntimi nkopie omo no nim de oka. Ene ye betimi sua Nigeria fi say yensu league no ye fo say was say ye kra behwa. E was say referee say nja demudie biem. Official say nkotua demudie. Empo sa we match commissioner. Wo kwa be di no kre in your match report wo be di no kre. Sa na esi wo Nigeria. Nti Nigeria nyama mienu na esi. Wo national team na ye yie. Ene omo league no so ye yie. Adentina nkosua fi Nigeria. Adentina omampanyi na nado ensua fi mampanyi good like Jonathan ho. Adentina ensua fi Paul Biya ho. Adentina ensua fi Foreigner Singbe Yadema ho. Adentia. Enti odo safo no mo de me de minim se se obi didi na wo yi na dwan fi na no a wan hwa obetimi akawo. Sa na ato afifo no. Na Ghana for dodo na e prese e wo se bo no ye yie. E wo se bo no ye kra behwe. Nyame adom. Ghana for dodo na asu no. Eno na nanado etie. Me de nanado de bia mebo na baso se anamo a wetu no. Me se presidents ahodo nya sa akonya ni bi wo ma intimate sa na mo ka asem ketu ebi nkyerɛ president John Dramani Mahama onya akonya sesei emra yɛ 2014 Brazil ba ayɛ no wonim sɛ opame of the free anka ɛwɔ Brazil Alvis amedu akra no opame no
ye bonse man no pass
ye bonse man no enso nko wie no what the Alvis ebeta no kukuom ɛna Ghana for bronyi bɛka sɛ Ghanaians felt insulted ɛyɛ Ghana for ya sɛ nipa akodi ne ɔmo nsɛm a wo kra wo hu sɛ nsɛm odi yɛ nyɛ eno nti we yi ne di Brazil obaya wona na hye okukwam me call rally bia me ko gina wa me hwe no ena mu se Elvis kasa ebedwom Ghana for dodo na e ba rally na se kire se enye papa yi na okodi sansemi wo Brazil na ne die mu ebia na omampanyin de no mani ma that time no na adwe ne se bia we nya asem bia e wo se Ghana for e de yasem empo se ekoto aba nka we nya asem but Ghana for de yasem efi se wunim maame na oto an se otakwam maame na oto body atoto kwam maame na otonton ice cream nyama okwam fitanyi no nyama ma ne vote no me na omienu e bia nya sa na me vote eno nti no obia wo vote ba ko nti obia vote endi ni hwamo wo de di no kura wo mi kire no eno nti nanado sa de a waye me de me gidi se nyame adoma 2020 Ghana for de obuo ni die ena rehye be hye ne mu bi me fi se anamo a wetu no bonye ka se clarion call kire se nipa dodo ne nyina su ena nyame adom nanado etie a wo do se ayoyo me se nanade ana ewie enumre de age abosobo de na
no ba kofi ebi ka chese ebi pa chese enipa womo eba be luso majuma am football am GFA for instance esen ke bianca bano ede bia bi our plan B wo bia me pamuwe say we etimi take over immediately
problem ye ni ho de etene se obi enu obelusi na ejuma o lusi na ejuma in a vacuum na che se o mampanyi asori keke anka se wo de or dissolve GFA there be as a result of pictorial evidence o mampanyi nya first of all no anka se before na ho a or trigger the police investigative process
as number 2
ni bofu wan
too rush
there be o enya no credit obi obeka say mampanyi pre no obi on tin sem na say if you say in some way a here urgent response
okay
minim say obeka no twim kan twim man say urgent response say ohia say obeye no tam to prumu sa enti
ye beto aso ye beto asansem na mum ye kokrom ye ne amanfo so edin komo efa video anas eyi edache Ghana for amanfo so efize bia ye Ghana Football Association no corruption ewomu enti se omampani apamo ebi mu anase wo dissolve Ghana Football Association grabon ye ne kwan so UTV Sports epiemu ewo mountain so ye ne amanfo atwe nkomo ye nti kakra
mehu waya omampani otudamana mon o send the video ni ayem hihye the GFA president Osaye CAF vice president Osanye FIFA abade ranking as executive member or FIFA board. You know what he told the investors are open over support Ghana football now? That he and them will create a company. The company now will be creating. Them company now will be used now as 20% and 30% of the total amount to be invested. Now companies it will be for them. And they will serve their interests. And it's a candidate being baby all they be Kobia Hona, and once over find a winner. Now, Chebiana was signing a year with xylophone. Is he telling us, is he giving us a lead, the xylophone deal now, or FA boss or a GFA boss on why or the new company or the Ayana? As a matter of fact, I think the Kwesinya teaching himself, although you know good service. By he himself asking Ghanaians to forgive him, one, he himself putting his job down and telling every Ghanaian that, in fact, when you know what didn't why anything, said Bionankasa sacrifice no first by leaving that office. Sent you to pede Ghana football then Okodo. If the president also have same now what can they in fact on Suma Kwesinya Ntechi baby Anna, the action should not only be police.
Why dear M say obi tumira no akire osie tebia na ye hu sesi ya na nya de ese so esem panifo no a omo ho bo asem ni mu bia ni wa eso motena kunwa mote so no because any pa no ntimi trust no the second time ana nipa ni tirimu wa dem no oya den a edem de won tirim na edi kan na ese oman ne mra eye adwuma 2 em say nyom nkwa na wonyansa an wo football mu there are many people who has wisdom. Ti amane mra na science selecting nipa amun wadwen am betimi ade ade nanimu a ebetimi aboa ma ne ma akoso bi se mranti bebre na eba nka ba na nka bi kura ni ha enti se obi si kwan a ese yi ni firi ho na ne ebe koso no ade asomdwe be ba na emra ya da na asiase na anase kamenya kura nka ne ma me nsan hu ni biem ensan hu anase foforo biem nsan meka ho no munye tu na ontimi nya hwehwemu maye enye ye nyina nipa bia anya 100%. Nipa bia no ye 100%. Ba se niam bi ho na ekoso a na se nipa ne ye bo din bebrebe a esa wutimi ehu se adentina the whole Ghana obi ebo me din bebrebe sa se ya brocha anka kwa reason akwa dada o do mampanyin din akwa akoye business wo go mampanyin hu fi straight se wutimi ka se o mampanyin wa tonton na japade ene ne niam bi no odi akwa akoto odi aba be ye politics ba se oni ska bia e won ho na command $5 million obey okay enti so mampanyin be trauma Kwesinya Ntechi el gunu hu fi na so won timi take action bia ye de hwade se Ghana ha uye bibia obi ade nani na hwe o obi anka hwe no ohwe sa abato tam bedru so no akire wonyansa enti me de kakra metuma ka akire o mampanyin se on take the decision on fa Nancy from the way papa na si aguna enu ase diniti akwa jiska se kura watonto abusuafo ajapade no enti won take decision bia ebe magana fo so ani be so no se de be ya 2020 ono agina ha ogina platform so obenya fans mo se de bia Kwesinya Ntechi se songo ne dankoku ye bo ani we mu no omani evidence bia se evidence ne so aba e de no moka me de GF ni nyina omungu no ma Kwesinya Ntechi nipa bia enka ho anoma bakra ma mane nka ho.
Nese amafo akasa say the voice of people is the voice of God and one no akasa nemum ohwe release by asie hom no say government will see to it that the necessary reforms are urgently undertaken to sanitize football administration in the country. Kofi ye can reforms na wetin say mampeni releasing so by so and the way aba na say steps no mampeni are taking. There will be proper steps to clean our football.
Thank you. Specifically, Okaya, I'm not saying blatter call, you know.
Yeah.
FIFA, enya reforms. Reforms, yeah. say, Damiadom, so be the president of FIFA or tenure of office.
Yeah.
And the Udia now will call.
They say 2 terms, yeah.
2 terms.
Yeah.
Or baby, I'll be to sign Jessica, or baby, I want to sign, or baby, a contract by also be Muma, executive council, yeah. Now, ADBC FIFA, ADBC FIFA, and out to Muse Bronyunko, and I be Nyunko. When you say blatter, emra na eba ne se e wo so kono o ka asem bi na media sa asem na me de pa etiefo ana wo mo yehwa ade no wo say FIFA President Sepp Blatter's resignation speech ebini o say I cherish FIFA more than anything and I want to do only what is best for FIFA and for football. I felt compelled to stand for re-election as I believed that this was the best thing for the organization. The re-election was over, but FIFA's challenge are not.
Yeah.
FIFA needs a profound overhaul. While I have the mandate from the membership of FIFA, I do not feel that I have a mandate from the entire world of football, i.e. the fans, the players, the clubs, the people who live, breathe, and love football as much as we all do at FIFA. Sepp Blatter say, media yetu abama media yenokre. Nemu enhihemu a omwenya, enhihemu a maya, omwenya nsem wo me hono. Media me pese me ko because FIFA ne so say me. Nemu say o mato abama me no, it is not enough. Nemu supporters, footballers, administrators, wo mo double no, wo mo kaseti ame. Enu nti no me jakonya ne ho na makọ.
Enu oyebroni.
Oyebroni. Now the same situation. Bibinyi President Kwesi Ntachi enka Sepp Blatter anabonyi bi na video yi ne no a enka nei ebi samre enka on twem pom aban emfa release mada enka we ja ho enka okọ. But you see me ka asem bi me say there's always a civilized jurisdiction. Just say baby ni biewo any kan kowo any baby a yetiti nwurem eno a jungle jurisdiction. Eno nti no Sepp Blatter esan so what civilized jurisdiction ti was say although I have the mandate the attorney say mo to abama me.
Yeah.
Congress not to abama me. Now so FIFA so saying me. One more drop ball, edi ball, abo ball, edi ball ye juma no. Omo nyina no me ni omo nta me tibium. Enu nti no it is enough. And they so by kroma. Hwenkofo e kasa UTV so. Omo nyina aka asem kro. Asem kro mo kan say se kweku ebo ajubu, Kofi Apia ajubu, kweku yo de so songu jubu. Se ball no enkoye. Senka President Ntachi aye broni a enka ene ya ekokakra kobo levy nko ni akunya nso biom.
Okay. Finally, yes, you cleaning up your football. You deserve GFA. A lot of people also feel say bia enka ye good GFA denka executive committee for no emunkwa and omunya benefits mo bia nko omunkwa na yengu na eside na ye sake obia from GFA including ebi na security men kwa omunyina ya wapi bebia.
The attorney say assembly betimi esi e wo UTV. Opinion despite betimi aka say UTV phone na mamu mabio ye yenhwehwemu ye betimi aka say Romeo o de bra wo son kwaku ye bo a wo son Kofi Apia wo son etu hwe video na wo bo say JF Mensa ene lawyer kwaku ya ye discover wonom emergency committee member mpo ene executive committee member ye discover wonom omo ye say da bi menyi sika ansama ye de o sesa me ye sa ankrofo ne de ye hwemu a den a wo so mo san ba nti enye se bia ya pam obi aso onko na mum empanyimfo se eye hwemu ne ye hwemu wie na wa wo ho son no na wo ba adwuma wo so a wa ya dubudi a ye TV so no
Kofi Bedasi ya da semre ko na se aha enemre ban kwan ma ye di bibia abawe ne mum empanyimfo do na akasa former minister for youth and sports Nilante Van der Poel or say this is just a tip of the iceberg. Na say a fake ground puna agrono ashasi amount do na kasane so sports minister there was isudia say Ghana Football Association no ye guno enti na say eno aso de gina na ye de sports yi aba ne we nyame e admo china ye besa aba na ye de e say hia Ghana fo nyina ye besa e de amamo yakramo